Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Delta Alpha India Sierra Yankee. This is Captain Taasini, call sign Hotel Juliet Charlie Romeo with the MMSI 214344742. How do you read me?
Motor Vessel Daisy, this is Port Serviceman. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Please switch to channel 12. Over.
Port Serviceman, I'm going to switch to channel 12. Port Service, this is Motor Vessel Daisy, call sign Hotel Juliet Charlie Romeo, over.
Motor Vessel Daisy, this is Port Service. Go ahead. Over.
We are experiencing engine failure and require immediately assistance. Our coordinates 32 degrees, 15 minutes north, 124 degree, 24 minutes east, over.
Copy that, Motor Vessel Daisy. Help and assistance is on the way. Please confirm if there are any injuries or hazards on board. Over.
Negative. No injuries reported. However, there are small fuel leak, tank, over.
Understood, Motor Vessel Daisy. Will dispatch assistance immediately. Keep us updated on your situation. Over.
Roger that. Port service, thank you, over and out.
Port Service standing by out. Port Service, this is MV Hawk. Do you read me? Over.
MV Hope, this is port service. I read you good. Change to channel 12, over.
Port Service, this is MV Hawk. Change to channel 12. Over.
MV Hook, this is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station, over?
Port Service, my ETA at pilot station is 1300 hours local time. Over.
MV Hook, what is your call sign, over?
Port Service, my call sign is Bravo Delta Echo Victor 2. Over.
MV Hook, what is your last port of call, over?
Port Service, my last port of call was China. Over.
MV Hook, are you carrying dangerous goods, over?
Port Service, I do not carry any dangerous goods. My cargo is corn products. Over.
MV Hook, your message is understood. You must call when you pass out island on channel 12, over.
Port Service, we will call when we pass Alpha Island on a channel 12. Over.
MV Hook, stand by channel 16 and 12, out.